What is up? What is up? Okay, Pradeep, here's the mud. He asked for 13 boxes. I got him 10. That should be enough. Here's the corner bead. He asked for 25 pieces. I got him 50. So 25 has got to go to McKay after. He knows that. 4 tapes. This is a special angle tape that they asked for. 2 bags of sheetrock 90. So I sent everything to Deep. Deep sent everything to Tony. Tony's supposed to start. Okay, so just follow up with Deep, not today, but tomorrow. See if he started, because this place looks like shit, bro. Isn't Sohail cleaning this up after he cut all these cuts out? Or is that our job? Was that not part of his quote? We gotta clean this place out, man. For me, it's drywaller's quote. When they cut, when they do all of this work, they've got to clean up, sweep up. I'm not asking to polish the floor, sweep up. So we can get shit moving along. Like, how you expect this guy to come here in mud when there's all this stuff on the back of the wall? You know what I'm saying? So, get this done, plus dust, kicking up, yada, yada, yada. You know how it is. All right.